Hey everyone, this is Navneet and today we are going to talk about how you can create such an amazing graphics in Figma, which will help you to build an amazing web design which looks modern, trendy, and which is really gonna look professional, and people would love to pay you an amazing or decent amount at least, right? So let's see some of the examples which we have created for ourselves, for our clients, right? So yeah, this was the exact web design which I have created for myself, right? And similar to this, we are creating for our clients as well. And these are few of our clients with whom we have worked, and these are the designs which we have created. Here you can see this one plus this one, and yeah, this one as well, this one, and these are the most recent designs which we have created. Here you can see yeah, this is the exactly workshop funnel which we have created. This is the another workshop funnel. This is some of the templates which we are on the way to share with our audience right on social media. So for that, yeah, this was something which I have used on my personal portfolio. So yeah, this is something which I have created for myself. Yeah, same thing as well, like I have used the same image on my portfolio again. So yeah, these are the graphics, like these are the small things which we have created for our clients project. So yeah, that this is for that. Okay, and yeah, one more thing is here, this thing. Okay, I know this is looking really unique, different, and this looks really good, right? So what's the best way to create such graphics? We are going to know about this only in this video, or from the next upcoming videos we are going to work upon proper series how you can create such graphics for your audience, for your own branding, for your clients branding, and for your own projects as well, right? So yeah, these are something which we have designed in Figma. Each and everything we have designed in Figma, so you don't need to worry about any of the third party software like Photoshop, Canva, or any other things. Nothing is required. We are like start to finish, we have done each and everything in Figma, right? So you don't need to worry at all. And in the upcoming videos we are also gonna work upon these types of graphics plus these types of custom graphics. And here again I have created one more. Yeah, this is again a custom graphic, this is again a custom graphic, and something like this we are working upon. And yeah, we will tell you, we will teach you how you can create same for yourself, right? Just like this, just like this is the logo, which looks a bit unique because like it looks really simple, right? But when you start creating it now, like there are so many things, which will help you and which you have to do when it comes to designing something like this, getting me? So yeah, these are the things which will help you to make your website, your designs really professional, really modern, really trendy, and something like this. So yeah, that's it for in this video, and in the next video we are going to work upon proper like how you can create such graphics. Either it could be your logo designs, web design, custom graphics, mockups. We are going to cover each and everything in the upcoming videos, so you don't need to worry at all about any of the things, right? Just subscribe us so that you don't miss any of our videos and can learn each and everything from basics to advanced, getting me? So subscribe for now. Thank you.